All Energy are here on the solar farm installing underground cable installation in regional New South Wales. I feel confident using the A2 equipment out in the field, as the reliability and the variety give us great confidence in using them to get the project done. My name is Greg Douglas. I've been working with All Energy since September 21. My primary role is machinery and plant operator. The key objectives of my job is to help deliver a safe project, under budget and on time. Challenges on this project have primarily been weather, wet conditions, working through the mud, achieving our goals. My primary jobs with All Energy are trenching, backfilling, compaction, tidy in site. The end result of this project is to deliver clean, green energy to the power grids. In our business, we use the A2 attachments, buckets, and variety of equipment. The benefit of the A2 package is a large range of equipment to work with the machinery, easily to detach and attach to the machine, and it's very strong and robust equipment. Compared to other products I have used, I find that the teeth and blades on these machines are very strong and durable. I've always found the after sales team to be easy to contact, very helpful. Whenever we've needed new products, they supply on time and when they say they're going to. I would recommend A2 products to other people considering purchasing any equipment. This is because of the reliability of the product and the helpful sales team.